Here we have the all-new GMC Sierra 1500. This one is a black-on-black AT4 with a 6.2 liter V8. It's that dual exhaust. Got your 20-inch black aluminum wheels. Got your keyless entry here. Got your power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, memory seating. And then we can also fold the mirrors in and out as well. And those mirrors do have blind spot monitoring in them. We'll get back to the interior here in a sec. Just want to take a look at this tailgate. You've got plenty of configurations here. Go down here and hit this button, it'll fold down even more. Then you can just walk right up. You can just fold this back onto the interior. It's very quiet in the truck without the engine running. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. Got nice sound there. We're gonna go ahead and pop the hood, see what we're looking at. And there's your 6.2 liter V8 putting out 420 horsepower. So this AT4 does have a lot of the added packages and features. So you've got the navigation system here, and then we're gonna go into the camera a little bit and then come back. So with your trailering package, you get, the rear camera mirror, you've got the front camera, you've got a 360-degree camera, first and foremost. So you've got all of these different views. You've got your trailering camera there. When you have a trailer hooked up, then you've got a tow hitch view. Just a lot of different views from, whatever you're needing. And then it shows you kind of your trailer, your connections, and make sure everything's good to go. You've even got a little checklist here. So if you got a gooseneck, you check and make sure all this stuff is good to go. If you got a conventional trailer, make sure all that's good to go. And if you've got a fifth wheel, make sure all that's good to go. You've got nav, Bluetooth audio, AM, FM, and XM radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your own Wi-Fi hotspot. There's your dual zone climate controller there. You've got heated, cooled seats. And then you've also got lane keep assist, parking sensors. You can control auto stop on and off, which is pretty nice to have in this 6.2 liter because it will come in handy. And then you've also got another way to put down your tailgate with the push of a button. There's your trailer brake controller, cigarette lighter, 3-prong plug-in if you've got a laptop you need to take on the road with you, wireless charging station, power sunroof, your rear sliding window, universal home remote. We've also got extra storage in here. We've got an SD card, you can put your nav in, your USB, and then an aux cord. Then you've also got heated steering wheel, forward collision alert you can control from here. Alrighty, here we go. Wow. It's crazy how I gassed it and all that power came to life, and then I'm stopped here and it's just quiet. It's like a sleeping beast, because as soon as I give it gas again, it's going to be roaring. But as I'm stopped here, you can feel the engine more than you can hear it. And we're going to give it some more power out of the light right here. Yeah, the power in these is amazing. 420 horsepower, that's what it'll do for you. Pushing this huge full-size pickup truck. And then we're gonna merge on the interstate. Here we go. The ride is smooth, but it is bouncy. As you can see from the camera. But I mean, it's a lifted pickup truck, so this is about the best ride you're gonna get. So we're averaging around 20 miles per gallon. The ride in this is comfortable. It's very, very comfortable. And that's surprising coming from a full-size pickup truck, like I said, especially one that's lifted. But it feels comfortable. And it's somewhat quiet in the cabin. I can't hear the truck at all. All I can hear are the cars passing in front of me. So very good, good acoustics within the truck. And overall visibility is very good, as you can see. Just looking around, I've got the rear camera mirrors, both my mirrors, and then the blind spot. And even without that, I can see all around me. The power is right at your foot. I barely put the pedal down and it was aching to go. Which most people who want this truck are gonna enjoy that. I definitely say go for the 6.2 over the 5.3 if that's what you're looking for. If you just want a clean looking truck and don't care much about how fast it's going, the 5.3 will be fine, but the 6.2 is it's a different animal. Like, I gas it, throws me back in the seat instantly. Now you're gonna get a little worse gas mileage, but on the highway, it's gonna be pretty similar. Because they both are gonna have cylinder activation and auto stop. So it really just depends on how much weight that the truck is pulling. So with your four-wheel drive, you're gonna have a little worse gas mileage by 1 or 2 mpg, just because you've got the added weight. But for the most part, unless you're gonna be doing a lot of city driving and you're worried about gas mileage, I say go with the 6.2. It's just an awesome motor. And going down this back road, the ride is surprisingly smooth. I'm not feeling every bump. It's just a really, really smooth ride. Very comfortable. We're coming around the final curve, and we're gonna see how it takes this bump up here. Going around 45 miles an hour. Very smooth. And like I said, the ride is bouncy being up this high, but all in all, a smooth ride. So the suspension's doing a really good job at making sure that it's not harsh. So there you have it. That's my review of the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 4-wheel drive.